Don't go anywhere. I'm going to do a review of this Kobalt screwdriver, so stay tuned. Good day, YouTube. I'm going to review this screwdriver here from Kobalt. It's a ratchet type screwdriver. You can hear it there. You can do both directions. You can actually lock it off to use it as a standard screwdriver. Basically how you do that, this piece here in the middle actually spins, and kind of similar to a ratchet. Have it centered and it locks it. Came with this pouch, has a belt clip on it, and the holder itself is the top one's a piece of Velcro. I got another one here that's this piece of elastic. I got a strap here that has a grommet going through it. Has a pouch that has a zipper on it. Has this telescoping pickup tool. And on the end of it there has a hex, so you can actually use it in the screwdriver itself. Now it came with several different bits. Those you got S1 to S3 square. And you got three different sizes of the hex. Then you got 6 different sizes of star points. And you also got some nut drivers too. And there's 6 of those. Goes from a 3/16 all the way up to a 3/8. This little kit has these little pouches in it, so you can put the bits in there. Now, I've had this for over a month. I've used it a few times. Does a pretty good job. And I'll make sure I have a link down in the description so you can go to Amazon and find it. Now these pieces of elastic that's on these pouches is actually kind of hard to get the bit holders in there, but that's a good thing, so they won't fall out. Now, so how well this does, I got a engine part here from a old weed eater. Let's try to take this magneto off. Right. I can hear the ratcheting there. As you can tell, does a pretty good job. And that screw probably hasn't been out since it was installed at the factory. I can switch this back around to put that screw back in. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. Now I do believe the gearing they use inside of this for the ratchet, it does sound like it's metal. Everything from here out is metal, and it seems like everything from here back is plastic. Now the blue part there is a sort of rubberized grip, and everything else is just feels like standard plastic. But so yeah, I'll make sure I put the link in the description so you can find us on Amazon. And don't forget, if you go through that link, it helps out my channel and me, so it helps improves the channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends. Catch you on the next one.